sorry, everyone. I forgot to show y'all the collection of the DreamWorks Coco Treasure. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I'm so sorry about that. But we still got the cards. So I'm gonna upload this video after this one get done uploading. Then I'm gonna open the. After this uploads the Coco Treasure, the dinosaurs, then I'm gonna upload this one. Okay. Okay, let's do this. What time we got? Okay, we got time on here. Okay, I'm gonna open the blue and show you each of the collection I had got of the series. This one, I had got a bracelet of the dragons. I know it got Toothless on here, but I forgot the other two. I just had watched this at my school the other day, so I had forgot which they was called. Okay. Put that one right here. Show you the next one. If I can get it open. Oh gosh. I hate when you can't get these open because they're so tight. Okay. Here we go. And then we got Skipper, the figure. Next we got, hold on, let me put Skipper back in this capsule here. Now I'll show you the next one. Here we go. Okay. Now let's open this one. Okay. Where's the... Oh, I forgot because I had got a duplicate and I gave it away. Oops, I had forgot. Sorry about that. Okay, let's open this next one. Yeah. There we go. This is the one I had a duplicate and gave it to my friend. So here's the Toothless. It's really detailed too. It got the little, if you could see it, it's a little red there. That's when he was in the movie and he had got hurt by Hiccup. I think his name was Hiccup for some reason. I'm not really good at that movie, so let's take this one. Yeah, there we go. And this one, oh yeah, this is the stickers. If y'all probably remember the stickers. I had cut them up so it would be easier to see them. Okay, put the stickers and put caps right there. Okay. Push. Hold on. Let me pause the video real quick. Wait. Okay, welcome back. Okay, I'm opening this now. Whoa. Oh, I remember this. I had got that dragon, if y'all remember. That crazy looking dragon. That 3D puzzle. Yeah, that 3D puzzle one. Put them back in this capsule. Yeah. Okay, open the next. Okay, we got another dinosaur figure. Okay. Hold on, my mouth wants some chocolate. Okay. Open another figure.
Sky. It's HB Sky Mom.
Oh, here's a magnet. Open it next. Whoa. Whoa. It's falling out. We got the tiger for a Kung Fu Panda figure. Okay. There we go. Oh, we got. Yeah, I remember this. We got more stickers. Y'all can see them from me. These are easy to see. Okay. Put that back in your capsule. And then out of these DreamWorks, I think my favorite is Kung Fu Panda. Because I used to love Kung Fu Panda. I always watch the movie and stuff and play the game on my Xbox 360. His arm fell off. Somewhere in the bottom here. Okay, hold on. Let me get it back in the capsule and then we'll open the last one of my collection. Okay. Ooh, whoa. So here's the other duplicate. So I'm going to give this one away to my friend. Not to y'all. I want to get lots of subscribers, so and then I'll probably start doing prizes for y'all and give it to y'all. And probably have a meet and greet one day. One day. Just one day. Everyone, one day. Okay. Woo! Okay, this was the last. Okay, I'm going to get some more so I can collect all 18 of it. So I have all 18. And then, once again, sorry I forgot to show you on my other video. So please watch Coco Treasure. This ain't magic Coco Treasure. It's just Coco Treasure Part 3. So see y'all tomorrow. And this is AC7 Sky TV. Subscribe, comment below, like everything. Give me a lot of views on this video. And bye.